The first step, warming the screen.
The first step always is to warm up the corners of the screen, and you have to use something really thin that goes around it. And I found this tool, I forgot what it's called, I'll probably mention it at the end of the video, but it's made out of steel, very thin, and it's way better than those small tools that I have, because this one is like kind of to me like paper thin, like twice the paper amount, but it's very good. It sticks between the glass, and so be careful while you're doing this. As you go a little bit lower, the home button, make sure you avoid the home button flex cable. Besides that, there's a Wi-Fi antenna. That's one of the best things to do. Avoid it, do not break it, otherwise you have to replace it. So now, as you guys can see,
So this is the Wi-Fi antenna. What I do is I usually try to go on top of this, so it can go between the glass and the Wi-Fi antenna.
Now open the 4 screws. Pick up the LCD and open the screws. The plate. Once I picked up the plate, somehow the plate was kind of glued to the LCD because of the glue residue. So I'll just leave it like that for now. And now we're going to look for any glass that's left on the corners, so that way when we put the new digitizer, it doesn't have anything sharp underneath it, so it doesn't break. As you guys can see this part, I'm picking up the plastic, and I'm just there's the side of it, as you guys saw, the plastic, I had to remove the tape and glue it back on there. Now connect the connectors and connect the home button. I usually like to leave something there so that way it holds this digitizer so it doesn't go far apart. Now I put the metal back on there for the 3 screws. Close it, put the screws back on there, and that's pretty much it. The main things you have to focus: do not cut the flex cables, be careful about the LCD, and the old digitizer, don't worry about it, but the new digitizer, you make sure you remove all the tapes from all the corners of it.